Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a little testing some new products that I hauled in my last video. So if you've not checked out that haul, it's the one I just posted. So I have a couple Tarte products here to use that I hauled. This new Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyebrow thing, and then the new MAC Studio Fix Everywhere All Over Face pen. This is such a cool product. I'm really excited to try this out. I really don't own many products from MAC. I have a few blushes and that's pretty much it. So I'm really excited to try this because it does say that it's, doesn't it say medium coverage? Yeah, medium to full buildable coverage. So I was reading on this and you have to like twist the end to turn it on, and then you can click it off so that way it can't be like pushed if you take it traveling. So it's just kind of like that. And then when you take the top off, there's this little like black piece and you just pull that off. And then I'll kind of show you guys. So here's what the end of the component looks like. And you can see the color of the foundation there in the inside. So I take it that you just kind of like click it on. Zoom you guys in a little bit. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to kind of click a little bit on I'm just kind of applying this like a foundation. I know it's kind of like supposed to be like a touch-up concealer, I think, but I don't know. I don't really do touch-ups like that. I'm not like a spot concealer type person when it comes to putting on my foundation or like putting on concealer. I don't really spot conceal because I don't really have like many breakouts or anything. And if I do have a few breakouts, the foundation usually covers it, like I have like this spot right here. So it has really nice coverage. I do have to say I like the coverage a lot. I feel like the shade I got is just a tad bit too dark. Like I feel like this will look, it looks pretty good right now during the summer with my little bit of tan that I have. And then I can kind of like tweak it with some concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a little bit of concealer. Okay, here's what the face is looking like. I feel like it looks really good, and I feel like I didn't have to go in with any more of this product. It says you get 0.41 fluid ounces, and I know in general like most foundations come with 1 fluid ounce, so you get half the amount in this, and I guess that's why it's kind of supposed to be like a spot concealer type product. So I don't know if I'll keep using this as a foundation. I'm gonna see how it wears today. I feel like it'll wear really nice. I feel like it's kind of like set down already a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in next with the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Blush in the shade Big Ego. It is this very bright pink. This is so pretty. I love it. And I'm going to grab my e.l.f. This is the Putty Primer Applicator. I'm just going to get a little bit on the brush, and then I'm just going to go straight in and apply it like that. I have found that like cream blushes or like putty blushes just apply nicely with a brush and not a sponge. I feel like the sponge can like pick up the product like, I don't know, easier, is that the right word? That's what the blush looks like. I think it's really, really pretty. It's like, you know, it's there, but it's not like overpowering, and it's really pretty. I like it a lot. Okay, I'm going to set my face and I'll come right back. Okay, so ignore my eyebrows. I like to pencil them in with a pencil and then go in with a like tinted brow gel to fill them in. So I went ahead and did that, and we're going to try out the new Maybelline. This is the 36-Hour Tattoo Studio Brow Styling Gel. So basically it says it's a life-proof formula. 98% solve thicker looking brows. So I got mine in the shade Deep Brown. And the spoolie is pretty small. So I like that whenever the spoolie is pretty small. So I'm just gonna kind of, let's see, I'll try to get as close as I can to the camera and still be able to see myself in my mirror. So I always kind of like to build it up a little bit and then just try to like brush through it with a spoolie. This saying 36 hour kind of scares me because like I worry that it's gonna like stain my brows or something. So there's one brow. I don't know, some people might just call that like a Sharpie brow, but you know what? I don't care. Okay, now I'm gonna kind of, I usually use like a Q-tip and kind of like clean it up just a little bit. It looks pretty good. I feel like I like that. I can't say I don't like it. That looks pretty good. I'm just going to apply a little bit of my Benefit Brow Setter. Okay, now I want to move on into this Big Ego eyeshadow palette. I've been so excited to try this out. It's just so beautiful. I think I might just try out some of these nude colors and maybe go in with this Papa Pink, or I might try to match my shirt because I'm wearing kind of a rusty shirt and go in with this shade called Unique down here. It's kind of like a shimmery copper color, I guess you could say. So I'm just going to go in with the shade called Brave. It's this color right here. I love the big mirror that comes with these palettes, or with this palette. I don't know if any other Tarte palettes have big mirrors. I'm sure they do. I don't own any of them, but I hope you guys can like see what I'm doing. I thought I'd zoom in a little bit more. So I'm just working this shade kind of into my crease. Okay, I feel like that looks really, really good. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with Authentic. It's this shade right here. This is the one I just used. I'm gonna go with this one now on a little bit of a denser brush and kind of put that in the outer corner. We are having quite a bit of fallout with these colors. I don't really like that, but nothing that I can do about that. Okay, here's what the eyes are looking like so far. Now I'm going to go in with the shade called Unique right here. It almost looks like a shifty color. Oh, that's really pretty. It's got some glitter in it, so beware. Some people really hate that in their eyeshadows. I kind of like it. I love me some glitter, even though it's kind of got some fallout on my cheeks. But I'm able to brush it away pretty easily. Okay, so here's what the eyes are looking like. I feel like they turned out pretty good. I'm going to put on some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and swatched some of the shades out of the palette. I did almost all of them, but just so you guys can kind of get a gist of like how they swatch. They all swatch really, really nicely. And I have to say I am really impressed by this palette. I think it is well worth the money. I think it's like $49. and I used some points in order to get my palette. So the swatches don't lie, they are really, really good. Here's like what the eye look turned out after I put on some mascara. And then I popped in some of the pink shade, which is this very first one, on my inner corner, and it is so pretty. I love it so much. I think the look just turned out amazing. So I have to say, all the products I used today, I really like them all. I just like can't complain. So with that, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little testing out some new kind of higher end products. Like I said in my previous video, I kind of feel like I've been buying mostly drugstore products. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up before you leave, and don't forget you're absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.